There are two main reasons why we should use an electric pepper grinder instead of a manual grinder is that tiresome and time-consuming. With an electric grinder, you will control with one hand, and you can grind pepper while doing other things simultaneously.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best electric pepper grinder. So let's get started. Number 5. Latent Epicure JS01. With a simple push, the electric pepper grinder lets you crush various spices like salt or chili. The product has 6 different grinding modes depending on the coarseness or fineness of the seasonings. Also, this pepper grinder comes with a sleek mill rest that used to remove dirt from the spices. The grinder has an LED light that helps you add seasonings for dishes correctly if there is not enough light. With this product, your kitchen will become tidier. You won't have to spend much time messing with spices. Number 4. Tesedao Gravity Electric Pepper Grinder. The pepper grinder is the solution for you to spice up your dishes easily. You no longer have to use force to crush them, or you don't even have to press any buttons. This grinder will work when you turn it over. Meanwhile, the LED light will also light up automatically. The body is made from stainless steel, ensuring it is secure and safe. The spice container is transparent glass so that you can observe seasonings inside. Number 3. KSL MZ11 Electric Pepper Grinder. KSL's pepper grinder with stainless steel casing, compact, and convenient design will be the perfect tool in your kitchen. The battery power for the operation of this grinder is available when you purchase the product. To activate the grinder, you press the button at the top of the product. This pepper grinder grinds different spices such as sea salt, peppercorns, dried herbs, spice blends. Besides, this machine also has a coarse adjustment of the seasoning. Furthermore, you will receive a spice spoon when buying the product. And it also has a black LED serving light. The manufacturer tells that using peppercorns that diameter less than 5 mm is better. Number 2. JAGURDS One-Hand Electric Pepper Grinder. The pepper grinder has a body with full stainless steel material that makes it both clean, sturdy, and guaranteed not to affect the flavor of the seasoning. The powerful motor allows it to grind any hard seasoning without clogging when working. To operate this product, you just need to push the button on its body. Since you can use it with one hand, you can completely do other things at the same time. Compact design and easy to use will be extremely convenient when you take it with you when you go camping or traveling. Number 1. Fantasy Electric Pepper Grinder. The Fantasy Pepper Grinder has a ceramic core. The body material is stainless steel. It also has a blue LED illuminated and transparent spice box to see seasonings inside. With the gravity sensor design, you don't need to switch the grinder, just tilt it a little bit. It will automatically grind the spices after that. At the same time, the blue LED will light up automatically. This product can grind a lot of robust spices like white pepper, sea salt, and pepper. The productivity of this grinder is 3 times that of traditional manual grinders. That was our list of the top 5 best electric pepper grinder just for you.